So it always says when you start working on your car, disconnect the battery. Most things say disconnect the battery. The MGA batteries, got two batteries. I believe these are both 6 volt. And the easiest way is just to remove the floor. That just pulls out from behind the seats. Now we've got a battery disconnect switch on this, which helps day to day, but generally if you can get a 1/2 inch socket on there and just loosen it enough to get that bolt off, you can release the lead from the battery down to the chassis of the car. And I think what we'll then do is release these butterflies that hold the back of the battery in. So you can then release the nut on the other battery. That needs a little bit of a loosen up at the back. Yep, just got to loosen that nut a little bit more first, just to release the battery clamp. So that's got a nut on the top of the battery holder, and then the battery can be lifted out. I'll just move the camera, just stop the camera and move that, and then it'll be exactly the same for the other side. So loosen those two, release the battery hanger, got wing nuts on both of those, and then we can lift the battery out. I'll get that done.